Hello, my besties. How are you all doing? So I'm out here on the front porch in my cute little chair that I like. And as you see, I got birdhouse. And I actually bought a couple of my flowers out here from indoors just to soak up a little bit of the sun. I'm kind of in competition with the sun right now, but you know, beautiful Mother Nature. But you know what? It is almost fall. And I wanted to share with you something I made myself last year for Halloween. And I'm excited to put it on my door because it's my very favorite I've ever made. So I'm going to show you in just a minute. But who likes fall and Halloween? It is a great time. You got, lots of sun. You got goblins and ghosts and vampires and pumpkin spice and apple cider. You have ghost stories. You have all kinds of fun things, for Halloween. It's great. Then pretty soon you get into Thanksgiving and Christmas. So today is a beautiful day in Oklahoma, and I am off today. So earlier I shot a video of replanting a snake plant, which is over here by the front door. And but while we're here, let me show you real quick what I have sitting next to me. This is my new plant I bought yesterday. Look at that. That is a pink star calathea. It is also a prayer plant. But when I went to Lowe's and I saw this, I thought, oh, it's a prayer plant. I gotta have it. So hopefully I will have wonderful luck with that. I want to show you another one. I bought this on, was it Labor Day? I think it was Labor Day. I went to Dallas and I made a video. So you may have, I haven't posted, I don't know if I posted it yet or not, but look. So this is another prayer plant calathea. And I found this great little planter. So pretty cute. It actually goes in the house. I'm just letting them get a little sun out here today. So let me tell you that my mom and I are very crafty. And we like to, whoa, y'all, you got to be in focus here. We like to plant and make, not plant, we like to make wreaths and flowers and things like that. And so, see, look, we got a pumpkin. This is the pumpkin I picked up at the Amish festival I did a video on. And yesterday I bought orange paint. So I'm going to spray paint this orange so it looks like a pumpkin. I didn't even realize it was going to be in the shot. Pumpkin, everything pumpkin. So that's fun. So my mom and I like to make wreaths, flowers, things like that. So mom always likes to make, like Christmas and Thanksgiving, but I was excited. Last year I went to Joann's and I found some really great Halloween stuff. And so I made me a Halloween wreath, and I want to share it with you and then show you what it looks like on the door. So right now we have this wreath. Now this wreath up here I made a couple years ago at a friend's house. It kind of looks Christmassy. We just leave it out. But let me show you. I love this. So first of all, I have my little bag and scissors. And this has been hanging in the garage, so hopefully it still looks great when I open this. Then, oh. All right. I should sell these because on YouTube I'd probably make a ton of money, but I don't. Oh, yay. So look at this, guys. Look at my little skeleton. I love this. Now, I picked this up, I believe this or not, at Dollar General. And I did this whole wreath myself. Nobody helped me. I designed it all myself. He is my favorite. I love walking in the door and this little guy, his little feet are going. So, yeah, it's been in a bag. So let me kind of prop it up here a little bit for you. But yes, that is one of mine. That is my favorite wreath. So basically I found all this stuff. Some of it came from the Dollar Tree, Joann's, Dollar General. And there's probably a few things from Hobby Lobby in here too. Look at the skull. We have a skull face here. Let me see if I can get this up close. Hold on. For hanging on the door, I will show you up close. But yeah, isn't it cute? So let me go hang it on the door and let me tell you a little bit about it. All right, I'm gonna go hang it on the door, and my dog is in the picture. Say hi, Susie. So here we go. Off with the old, on with the new. All right, y'all, so let me give you a little tour about my beautiful Halloween wreath. See, this is my friend. Isn't he cute? I just love my little skeleton. I just love how he sits there, and you can just walk in the door and go like that. We have a skeleton. We have a hand. I put another skull up here, one here. We have witch's hat. We have another skull. And then the pretty, bow that I made, which I did all myself. So we have ghost on there. We have some skeletons, purple, orange. Yeah, so you can make anything you want. I bought a lot of bling in here. I thought about making another one this year, and I go, I don't know. I just love this one. So I wanted to show it to you, because it is that time of year to start pulling out that Halloween stuff. And yeah, I know if I sold this, I'd probably make 150 probably on it, but it's just so cute. Yeah, I just love it. And this is my favorite part. I just love how I glued him on there, and he just sits there. And this is one of 3 skeletons. This is the one I bought where you hear no evil. See, he hears no evil. So yeah, so y'all, it is definitely Halloween time. And I just wanted to show that to you. I do have a light that I plan on putting on it, and I will do that later, and maybe a spotlight. I don't know yet. But yeah, it is kind of hot out here today. But yeah, it looks great. Oh, not the sun, but the rest of it looks great. So let me get out of the sun. What kind of traditions do you guys all do for Halloween? That's a great question. That's basically what we do. One year we've set up a wagon over here and put pumpkins and things like that on it. But we're probably not going to do that this year. But yeah, so today it was exciting. I thought, oh, September, I could put my wreath on the door. And it looks great. Anyway, I just wanted to show you my wreath, and I hope you all have a great day. Get out there, find some great Halloween stuff, and start decorating and have fun.